Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable color blind assist on the Matchmasters application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find the different buttons. You just click to the three line at the upper right corner of the home screen and click to the last icon, the settings. And here you can find the fourth option, the color blind assist. Actually, I don't use that, but if you want to use, just click to the next white circle and new is turned on, but if you want to turn off, just click that again, and that's it. So easy. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.